Are you looking to get into another hobby? Well, I did. I chose candle making, and in this video, I am going to show you how I make my candles. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you are new and not subscribed, my name is Chandra Icy McCall, and my channel is about makeup, entrepreneurship, and lifestyle. In today's video, I'll be making and testing candles. Originally, I started with a soy wax. Now I have switched over to a coconut blend wax, and I must say that I am happy with the results. This is my second time using this wax. It's really soft compared to the soy wax, and it's a newer version of the, I want to say, clean wax family. Here I'm using a double boiler to melt down the wax. And while that is melting down, I am going to go ahead and prepare my candle containers, and I'm going to clean everything with alcohol. One of the biggest mistakes that I've learned while making candles is test everything. Test. Do not rush the process. Because before I did not know everything about candle making. Once I had bought the kit from Candlescience, it pretty much gave me everything that I needed to make my first candles, but I still needed to know about formulas, wicks, temperature, fragrance, wax performance. Like, it was just still so much I had to learn. So I'm going back to the drawing board, and I'm testing my candles with this new coconut wax to see, if I want to continue to use this for my candle line. Right now, I'm just writing the names down of the scents that I'm using for the candles. This is just going to help me understand like what fragrance is in what candle, what wick I use, and how much fragrance is in each candle. And once I pour it in about 3 days, I'm going to test to see if I like the scent of the candle or not.
You're falling to catch life, speeding to pass time, yeah. Gravity won't let you go, no. Gravity won't let you slow down. I know how low it goes. I've screamed, my sounds took days to come back around, come back around. So far it looks like there's no ground. I'm trying to leave all my small town behind, still that's in my mind. But I set expectations higher than a new PlayStation. I could never reach shelves at the top, tippy knowing on my feet. Started Mariana, now I'm swimming to the peak. Expectations never listen, fell right through my vision, turned it inside out, upside down, down. You're falling to catch life, speeding to pass time, yeah. Gravity won't let you go, no. Gravity won't let you slow down. I know how low it goes. I've screamed, my sounds took days to come back around, come back around. Gravity won't let you go, no. Gravity won't let you slow down. I know how low it goes. I've screamed, my sounds took days to come back around, come back around. Type of interaction not too far from here. Raindrops keep boring. You're falling to catch life, speeding to pass time, yeah. Gravity won't let you go, no. Gravity won't let you slow down. I know how low it goes. I've screamed my sounds, took days to boring. You're falling to catch life, speeding to pass time, yeah. Gravity won't let you go, no. Gravity won't let you slow